Breaking news coming in. Smriti Irani and Mithun Chakrabarti are expected to accompany Shubhendu Adhikari when he files his nomination from Nandigram in a few days from now on 12th March. Smriti Irani will arrive in Bengal on 11th March. She is going to be campaigning in Haldia, where Shubhendu will be present as well. Mithun Chakrabarti, meanwhile, will kick off campaigning for the BJP on 12th March. The details of his campaign program are being finalized, but what we're hearing is that there will be a grand show of strength when Shubhendu Adhikari goes ahead and files his nomination from Nandigram seat come March 12th, this Friday. Smriti Irani, Mithun Chakrabarti are expected to accompany Shubhendu. Poulami Saha is joining us with more details on this. Poulami, is like we discussed, every moment now in Nandigram will be a show of strength by both the BJP and the TMC. Shubhendu filing his nomination is going to be an attempt by the BJP to flex their muscle.
Oh, absolutely. It is going to be a grand affair. The BJP is planning to pull out all stops in order to ensure that their might and their show of strength is visible on the ground in Nandigram when Shubhendu Adhikari files his nomination from the constituency on the 12th of March. He is likely to be accompanied by Union Minister Smriti Irani and also actor Mithun Chakrabarti, who just recently joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, Mithun Chakrabarti will start campaigning for the BJP on the 12th of March itself, and what we are learning from Nandigram is that Mithun Chakrabarti is likely to be in Nandigram, extending his support to Shubhendu Adhikari as he files his nomination from Nandigram. Smriti Irani, meanwhile, will be landing in Bengal on the 11th of March itself. She will be campaigning in Haldia. This will be her second such campaign in Bengal since the announcement of the election dates. She will be campaigning in Haldia, and she is likely to stay back, and on the 12th of March she will accompany Shubhendu Adhikari to the nomination centre to file his nomination papers from the Nandigram constituency.
All right, Poulami, thank you for joining us with those details. So Smriti Irani, Mithun Chakrabarti, they're expected to accompany Shubhendu Adhikari on Friday as he files his nomination from the all-important Nandigram constituency.